If you want to crop just one layer in Photopea without affecting the rest of your design, this is the easiest and safest method to use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop one layer in Photopea using a layer mask, which is non-destructive and gives you full control if you want to change it later. This is especially useful when you only want to hide part of an image, cut out a subject, or clean up a layer without permanently deleting anything. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel on the bottom right. This is where all your layers are listed, and the first thing you need to do is click on the exact layer you want to crop. That step is very important, because the mask will only apply to the selected layer. Once the correct layer is highlighted, go to the left toolbar and choose a selection tool. If you want a simple straight crop area, use the rectangle select tool, which is great for clean square or rectangular shapes. If you need something more custom, angled or irregular, use the Lasso tool or the Polygonal Lasso tool instead. The shortcut for these is often the L key, depending on the tool you select. Now, with your selection tool active, drag around the exact parts of the layer you want to keep. Try to make the selection as precise as possible, because everything outside the selection will be hidden. If you need to fine-tune it, you can redo the selection until it matches the area you want. This is one of the biggest advantages of using a mask instead of deleting pixels, because you can always adjust it later. After your selection is ready, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and find the A Raster Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. Click that icon and Photopea will instantly hide everything outside your selected area on that layer. The rest of your document stays untouched, and only the chosen layer gets cropped visually. If you look back at the layer, you'll see the masking effect applied, which means the hidden parts are still there in case you want to edit them later. That's why this method is called non-destructive. If you ever want to change the crop, just click the mask and adjust the selection or paint on the mask to reveal or hide more of the layer. You are not permanently deleting anything, so it is much safer than using a hard crop or erase tool. This method is perfect for photo edits, thumbnails, overlays, cutouts, and any project where you want more flexibility. So just remember the simple workflow. Select the correct layer, choose a selection tool, draw the area you want to keep, and then click the Add Raster Mask button. Once you get used to it, cropping one layer in Photopea becomes fast, clean, and very easy to control. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.